Hello everyone, this is Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 8 of January 2020 question number 19. Let P be a point on x square is equal to 4y, the segment joining A 0, minus 1 and P is divided by point Q in the ratio 1:2, then locus of Q is 4 options are given. At first, we draw the parabola. This is our two axes, x and y axis, and here is the parabola. And this one is the parabola given for parabola x square plus x square is equal to 4y. So this and P is the point. Now let's assume here is the point P and it is moving point. It is a moving point. So the segment joining A and P is divided by the point Q in the ratio 1:2. So here is let's assume A is the point here, and the line segment joining A to P, this divide 2:1 ratio as AQ, it is 1 and it is 2. So we may say QA is to QP is equal to 1:2 or PQ is to QP is equal to 2:1. So this picture says us that x is equal to 2t and y is equal to t square is the point which is mentioned our moving point P, as the ratio is 1:2. X is equal this 1 is t comma 2t comma t square, the point is that which is also satisfy x square is equal to 4y equation. So write down the given equation is equal to 4y, and A is the point which is 0, minus 1. So we may say as let x is equal to 2t is a point, then from this equation y is equal to t square we get. So P is equal to P points x comma y means 2t comma t square. So P is the point 2t comma t square. These points also satisfy the parabola x square plus x square is equal to 4y. Line joining P and A, which is AP, line joining AP I just write down a word. So it use, so I use parametric equation x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t square. Understand? So our point is P is equal to 2t comma t square. I think it is clear. Now line joining AP. So AP and which is divide Q at the ratio 2:1. Joining AP which divide at the ratio 2:1 by Q. Clear? Now suppose Q is the point which is, I suppose it is HK. Now H is what? H is equal to, we may say 2 multiplied with 0, 2 multiplied with 0 plus 2t. It is P's coordinate is equal to 2t comma t square, and A's coordinate is equal to 0 comma minus 1, and it is also divided, Q is also divided this line 2:1 ratio. So Q is equal to 2t divide 3 comma minus 2 plus t square by 3. From the formula we may say it is the point. So simplifying this, we get 2t by 3 comma t square minus 2 divide 3. This is the point Q, which I suppose H comma K and is. So we now equating xy coordinate. Now equating xy coordinate, xy coordinate as, so now equating xy coordinate. Xy coordinate. So we say H is equal to 2t by 3. That implies t equal to 3h by 2, and k is equal to t square minus 2 by 3. That implies 3k is equal to t square minus 2, implies 3k is equal to, putting the value of t here, it is we get 3h by 2 whole square minus 2. That implies 3k is equal to 9h square by 4 minus of 2. That implies it is 12k is equal to 9h square minus 8. That implies 9h square is equal to 12k plus 8. So now equating xy coordinate as hk, replacing the coordinates, so we get 9x squared is equal to 12y plus 8. So locus of the point, locus of the point is this locus of the point Q. Therefore locus of the point Q is 9x square is equal to 12y plus 8. It is the answer, required answer, and our option is 9x square is equal to 12y plus 8, and the option is 9x square plus 12y plus 8, option 2. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.